A very good morning to all of you, my dear students. Let us continue our part 4 of chapter fractions. So today we will study about arranging the fractions in ascending and descending order. Ascending and descending order, I hope you all remember. Ascending order was small to big and descending order was big to small. Let us see one example. Arrange 3 by 8, 2 by 3, 7 by 12 and 11 by 16 in ascending order. So before I begin, can you tell me what kind of fractions are these? Yes, they are unlike fractions because they have different denominators. So what we will do first, we will make them like. And to make them like we have to find the LCM of the denominators. So the LCM of 8, 3, 12 and 16 is 48. Now what we will do? We will form equivalent fractions with denominator 48. Means for all the fractions the denominator should become 48 so that they all can become like. Once they are like, it is very easy to compare. So 3 by 8 was the first fraction. I want to make my 8 to 48. What I will do? I will multiply with the 6 because 8 6 are 48. So when we multiply with the 6 downward, we have to multiply with the 6 upward. That's how we will form an equivalent fraction. Clear? So 3 into 6 will give you 18 and 8 into 6 will give you 48. Therefore 3 by 8 will become 18 by 48. Same way 2 by 3 will become 32 by 48. 7 by 12 will become 28 by 48 and 11 by 16 will become 33 by 48. Now we will see which one is the smallest fraction here. So 18 by 48 is smaller than 28 by 48 is smaller than 32 by 48 and 33 by 48. Then according to the, you will not stop here. We have to write the question. We have to write the answer as it was given in question. So 3 by 8 because 18 by 48 was our 3 by 8, isn't it? So 3 by 8 will be the smallest fraction. Then 7 by 12. Then comes your 2 by 3 and 11 by 16. Thus the given fraction in ascending order are 3 by 8, 7 by 12, 2 by 3, 11 by 16. Fine. So once you have made all the fractions like, you can arrange them in ascending order as well as in descending order. The steps will be same. So let us see some examples from exercise 4 of your book. Question number 2a is asking to arrange the given fractions in ascending order. So what we will do first? Yes, we'll find the LCM of the denominators. So the LCM of 5, 10, 15 and 20 is 60. Isn't it? Now what you will do? With the 60, you have to make all the fractions whose denominators becomes 60. So 2 by 5 will be 24 by 60. 7 by 10 will be 42 by 60. 4 by 15 will be 16 by 60. And 5 by 20 will be 15 by 60. Fine. Now all of them are like. So which one is the smallest here? 15. Yes, correct. So 15 by 16, 60, then 16 by 60, 24 by 60 and 42 by 60. Now you will write the answer in form of the questions. So the smallest fraction is 5 by 20, then 4 by 15, then 2 by 5 and then 7 by 10. Okay. Now we will arrange in descending order. Let us try to do exam question 3 section B. So you have to arrange in descending order. The steps will be same. Now they are the mixed fractions. So what we will do first? We will change them to improper fractions. Now 2 whole 2 by 3 will become 8 by 3. 2 whole 2 by 7 will become 16 by 7. 2 whole 1 by 14 will become 29 by 14 and 2 whole 1 by 6 will become 13 by 6. So the fractions are 8 by 3, 16 by 7, 29 by 14 and 13 by 6. Now what we will do? Yes, we will find the LCM of the denominators. The LCM will be 42. So what we will do? 8 by 9 will change to 112 by 42. 16 by 7 will change to 96 by 42. 29 by 14 will change to 87 by 42. And 13 by 6 will change to 91 by 42. Now which one is the largest fraction here? Yes, 112 by 42. Then 96 by 42. Then 91 by 42. And then 87 by 42. And the final answers will be 2 whole 2 by 3 is the greatest. Then comes your 2 whole 2 by 7, then 2 whole 1 by 6 and 2 whole 1 by 14. This was your classwork. Your today's homework is just two questions, question number B and question number A of exercise 4. That was all for today. Thank you and have a nice day. Question 8A and 9A of exercise 1 also. If you remember, we have left these questions, isn't it? So these two questions also you should do. So all in all, you will get 4 questions as your homework. Thank you and have a nice day.